Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. Today is going to be a very special episode because I'm going to be sharing my raw zucchini vegan lasagna with my friends. We're going to go on the boat. My friend Jeff has a boat and we're all going to enjoy this raw vegan zucchini lasagna. Now we'll see if Jeff actually tries it because he's a little bit of a picky eater and I think sometimes he's a bit afraid of vegetables, but we'll see how it goes. I'm very excited for this episode, and it's going to be a different experience, so feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of this experience.
Should be able to join us later?
We'll find out.
Okay.
We'll see. So here we are on the boat. We have Jerry over here. We have Ben. And we have Matt and the Captain Jeff. We're waiting for a couple more people and they'll be on board soon enough. Okay.
Hello everybody, I'm so excited to be here today and to be a part of this wonderful vegan channel. I'm really excited about all the yummy food we'll get to have and on the wonderful day we're going to spend on the boats. So enjoy, all my vegan friends.
Thanks, Jerry.
Now, you put on an accent.
Can we do the dance for vegan stuff?
Oh yeah.
What's up? I don't know what to say.
Here's Jeff, the captain. Are you going to be trying any of the food?
Oh yeah.
Just a little taste test.
Hello, I'm Jeff. Are you rolling? Hello, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the Cottage 3. This is an outing on my boat where we're going to be trying some vegan food and looking forward to sampling some amazing recipes from the famous Janice.
Thank you. Scott has joined us
Hello.
aboard the ship. How are you doing, Scott?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Beautiful. Is this the sea-bound equivalent of the Rockford?
What's the Rockford? I don't.
It's from an old TV series, don't even worry about it.
Have any words to say?
It's a beautiful day to cook some vegan food on a boat.
Well, it's raw vegan.
Raw vegan food on a boat. I am so sorry.
Raw vegan lasagna.
Okay, raw vegan lasagna.
Raw
Beautiful.
vegan zucchini.
Those are
lasagna.
3 words that.
Okay, you're just adding words now, like every time I answer,
Yeah.
just to make it more
I can add
difficult.
more.
My memory is terrible, you know this. Oh, there he is.
And we have one
No, I'm
more.
being facetious. I'm very excited to try
We
this.
have Matt joining us.
Oh, raw vegan.
Yeah, we'll see.
There you go, buddy.
Matt has joined us.
I think
So
we
we
still
have a
need to
full
pick up
boat
like
here.
what, 4 people.
She's a vegan YouTuber, so she's making a vegan video.
We have a couple of people who've joined us. We have Davida over here. And Mike.
Yeah.
Here we go, Mike. And then Julie, she's getting herself sorted over there. You'll see her in a moment. Julie. Your name is?
My name is Elizabeth. I'm a student of life. I don't really know what else to say, to be honest with you.
Are you looking forward to trying the vegan dish that I brought?
Oh yeah. You brought a vegan dish?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a raw vegan zucchini lasagna. So it is different from the norm.
So you're coming aboard and you're feeding everyone? I like you already.
Yes, I'm feeding everyone. As much as I can for what I have. I would have
Listen.
brought more if I knew there were more people.
Listen, like free food, free vegan food, I'm all for it.
Yeah.
So,
So Ida just joined us, and let us know what you think about trying a raw vegan lasagna. We're going to be tasting that today.
I would love to. I'm looking forward to. Did you make that one?
Yeah, I made it.
I'm looking forward to it.
Great. So here it is, our raw vegan zucchini lasagna that we're gonna serve to our lovely friends over here, and we'll see what they think.
I'm trying not to follow. I talked to Jeff about the waves before.
Okay, let me get in here.
Sure, that's what he said. Go on.
I'll cut a couple of smaller pieces too. Okay. Yeah.
what is that?
So there's the pesto, there's the marinara sauce, and then there's the vegan ricotta that's made from cashews.
I am so ready for this. I'm so ready.
Right here. We can microwave it.
Okay, so here you go.
Oh, you've got to eat here.
Here
Delicious
you
food
go.
over here. Can I hire you as my personal chef?
Sure.
Yes. The texture.
I know, and like the hint of spice.
You can package it.
Yep.
Here we go.
Try this. It looks delicious.
This is literally like a flavor nation.
Call it vegetable peeler. Yeah. I got it at one of the trade shows too. Welcome. Here it is. You want to try some, Captain?
It's really good.
Here you go.
A lot of flavor. If I bought this at a restaurant for $30, I would not be upset.
Yeah.
I know, it's really good.
It's dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, so it's good for many people. If you're trying to lower your cholesterol too.
Right, everyone, put your notifications on and subscribe.
Yes. Jeff? Here you go.
That is really tasty.
Thank you.
You did an amazing job.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Loads of us are coming back for second.
Thank you.
I'll also take the second one.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
So it got messy.
Honestly, messy just means more. So,
Cool. So I'm going to enjoy this on the boat, on the back of the boat. Not that it's like outlawed in any way.
So what do you think of your own dish?
Very nice. It's something I come back to time and time again. It's nice for the summer. You don't have to slave over a hot stove or anything, and refreshing and flavorful. So what did you think of the raw vegan lasagna?
to be honest, I can't really express it through words. You just gotta like That's how good it was.
It was amazing. I'm definitely gonna try to copy your recipe. It was really good. I loved it.
Awesome.
Yes, very tasty.
Cool.
Delicious, yeah. I wasn't expecting to be that good, but
Thanks.
really good. Good job.
And Scott is now trying it.
Yes, as the shipboard Mediterranean, I actually do approve of this dish.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, very good.
Thanks.
I finally get to feel Jeff about the wind. Okay, I told him no wind. It's wind.
I'm
Yeah, let's get the drunk guy again.
Yeah, you even get it. Totally. You've got the longest arm. Backwards! Backwards!
A little further back. Oh, here we go. Almost there. But it seems like forever.
It's going backwards, just like we are.
I don't want to fall off.
That would be funny though. Horrible.
So close.
Oh! Shit.
Come on, you got it. You're a video game player.
Yeah, I don't give up. That's why I always.
Woohoo!
Okay, we got it.
There you go, buddy.
I was glad that the experience on the boat worked out so well. It was a big hit. People enjoyed themselves, and I think it opened a lot of people's eyes as to what raw vegan food could actually be. People wanted seconds as well. I didn't even have enough. Well, I had just enough, but not enough for so many extras. And our friend Ben, he was enjoying the remainder of the sauce with some tortilla chips. So I thought that was pretty cool. So that is it for this week's episode. Remember to tune in every Monday for a new video, a new experience. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell notification icon so that you can stay posted and not miss another experience like this one. This is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!